Hey guys, John Conley here from UncleJohnSoap.com. Today I want to talk about making mistakes. You know, in life, that's the best way for us to learn, is just to do things and make mistakes. You learn from the mistakes. Yeah, it's going to cost you a few bucks, but in the long run, you're going to be more confident when you make things, whether it's soap, woodworking, I don't care what it is. You know, you want to be safe. You don't want to make mistakes that are going to get you injured. But as far as like making soap, I get a lot of requests for people asking about different things in their recipes and things like that. And I can answer them to a certain point, but I can only take it so far because I'm not going to share, again, my specific recipe. I can kind of get you in the ballpark. I can get you to a soap that's going to be decent oils and things like that to get you a good quality bath bar. But there's some things you just kind of got to play around with and figure out for yourself. You know, you can start with a pre-made recipe from somebody else and then go back and learn how to use the lye calculator and plug that recipe in, see what the properties are in it and things like that. And then you can start adding your own ingredients to kind of narrow that down. But, you know, honestly, ask a few questions. Find a pre-made recipe somewhere, something simple, and then jump in and do it. Do a batch. It doesn't have to be big. If you have a recipe that calls for 5 pounds of soap, yeah, maybe you don't want to take a chance on wasting 5 pounds of soap and that money. You can always take that recipe and cut it down. You know, you can cut it in third, you can cut it into quarters, size-wise. So take each component. If you got, you know, if it calls for 40 ounces of olive oil, you know, cut it down to 10, you know, you're taking it in quarters, and make a small batch. It's only going to be 4 to 6 bars or whatever, and that way you're not losing quite as much if it does mess up on you. That's about it. You know, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's going to happen. Sometimes the best learning experience you can have is to just jump right in and do it. As you can hear, we're making soap today. My daughter Megan's over there mixing things up now and making bath bars. And I don't know if you guys noticed on the website, we just started this week. Buy 4 of our regular bars of soap on the website or in the store, and you get a free little wooden soap tray. These things are cool. It's like a soap palette. It's just right for 1 bar of soap. Keeps it high and dry, keeps it from getting all nasty, and allows it to get hard again so you don't waste all your soap. All right. Also, something we're going to start this week coming up is, and we're going to actually start with this video. Let's just do it. We're going to do a little giveaway each time we do a product related or soap industry related video. I may even do it on the Don't Be a Jerk vids, but we'll see how that goes. So what we're going to do is, if you shoot an email over to unclejohnsoap@gmail.com, and let's do this. In the subject line, put "I want soap." Make that the subject. Send that to unclejohnsoap@gmail.com, and we'll either put all the names in a hat or use a random number generator and just put your number as the order you guys came in, and we'll do a drawing that way. What we're going to do is, for today's video, we're going to do a 3-bar giveaway. We're going to do 3 soap bars, and we'll probably pick spring/summer warm weather scents and mix and match a little bit. So something fresh, and hope you guys enjoy it. All right, remember, send that email over. Subject line is "I want soap," and put your mailing address. You put your information in that email so that I don't have to go back and try to figure it out. That way I can just pull up that number email when we do the random number generator, and it's all right there. And then I can just pack your stuff and ship it to you. This is for continental U.S. If you're international and you want to join into the giveaway, that's fine, but I got to ask you to pay the shipping. And what I'll do is, when I pick the number, pick your email, I'll decide, I'll figure out if you're international or continental U.S., and I'll shoot you an email back with PayPal information for paying for shipping, or if you're continental U.S., I'll just go ahead and send it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. remember, shoot me any questions you have. You can do it down below. You can shoot me an email at unclejohnsoap@gmail.com. Please, if you enjoy the videos, if you get anything out of them, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and right down in the corner, hit the little bell icon so that you get notifications when we make new videos. We're going to try to be a little more regular. I know the past couple months has been kind of sporadic for us. We've been kind of reorganizing some things and trying new things and failing at some small things. Thank goodness it's only small. But like I said, you know, you're going to make mistakes. Sometimes you just got to just jump in and do it. At least then you have the experience of knowing what you can do, what you can't do, and things like that. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.